Today, we're going to learn about something super cool that lights up our day and keeps our planet warm: the sun. Imagine the sun as a gigantic ball of fire in the sky. It's so big that you could fit over 1 million Earths inside it. That's right, 1 million. The sun is about 93 million miles away from us, which is pretty far. If you could travel to the sun in a spaceship, it would take you over 150 days at the speed of a car driving on the highway. But don't worry, we don't need to go anywhere close to it because the sun shines bright enough for us to feel its warmth right here on Earth. Now, let's talk about what the sun is made of. The sun is mostly made of two gases, hydrogen and helium. It's like a giant, glowing gas balloon. Deep inside the sun, a process called nuclear fusion is happening. This means that hydrogen atoms are squishing together to form helium, and when they do this, they release a huge amount of energy. That energy travels all the way to us, and it's what gives us sunlight and warmth. You might wonder what would happen if we didn't have the sun. Well, without it, life on Earth would be very different. It keeps our planet warm enough for plants to grow, and plants are super important because they give us oxygen to breathe. Plus, without the sun, there wouldn't be any weather. The sun heats up the air and water, creating wind, rain, and all the seasons we love, like summer and winter. Speaking of seasons, did you know that the Earth is tilted on its axis? This tilt is the reason we have different seasons. When the northern hemisphere tilts toward the sun, it's summer there and it's winter in the southern hemisphere. And when the southern hemisphere tilts toward the sun, it's their summer while the northern hemisphere experiences winter. So, the sun is not just a big light. It plays a huge role in how our world works. Now, let's not forget about how we can observe the sun safely. You should never look directly at the sun with your eyes because it can hurt them. Instead, you can use special glasses called solar viewers, or even look at it with a telescope that has a solar filter. That way, you can see cool things like sunspots, which are dark patches on the sun's surface that can change size and number. Did you know that the sun has its own weather too? It can create solar flares, huge bursts of energy that shoot out into space. Sometimes these flares can even reach Earth, causing beautiful lights in the sky called auroras, or the northern and southern lights. They are like nature's fireworks and can be seen in places like Alaska or Norway. So, next time you step outside and feel the warm sun on your face, remember all the amazing things it does for us. The sun is not just a big, bright star. It's a vital part of our life on Earth. And that's why we should always appreciate it and stay safe while enjoying its glow. Thanks for learning about the sun today, and I hope you'll share these cool facts with your friends.